we just got a spot. Jamie reversed in and two guys came up and said, sorry, you can't stay here.
We've wrapped up our time in the Blue Mountains and started making our way north.
Apparently it's a bit of a confusing name.
We've set up on the wrong side. Roy's another year older in Gosford. Happy birthday.
I can smell the alcohol. So we're just going to try and get somewhere before everyone else does.
After getting kicked out of camp, will we find somewhere else to stay? And we finish up with another fantastic farm stay experience. There's a lot to cover, so buckle up, let's go.
We're starting our journey north today, heading up the Pacific Highway. Should have put a coat on, it's bloody freezing. I think it's about 18 degrees and that wind is bitter. I don't know. It's gone from boiling to a couple of days of really nice to get the thermals out. Hurry up, Jamie. We've just arrived at Wywurri HipCamp. We're on site 2. Seems alright, a little bit muddy coming in, but there's obviously been a lot more rain here than we've had, and it's just started raining now, but I'm going to get lunch on the go and then unpack. Sausage rolls for lunch, yum. Good morning, my birthday today and Jamie's taking me out for coffee and cake. The sun's shining, beautiful day.
Happy birthday. How you doing?
We're at Wywurri 2 HipCamp. Apparently it's a bit of a confusing name because I thought that meant we were on site 2, so we sat up here and then we saw this car kept driving up and down, so Jamie went out and chatted to them. Apparently they'd booked site 2, so I checked the booking and it's called Wywurri 2 and we were meant to be on site 1, which is this one here. But anyway, they were pretty good about it. They're in a tent, they went down the bottom and had a bit more shelter because we had a lot of rain and some really strong winds, which is why Jamie's just re-put the awning up again, as you just saw. Okay, it's my birthday and that means it's cocktail time, and I'm going to make a really nice one. I have made it before using Cocoa Bella chocolate, that's the best one, chocolate coconut water, forget the others, watermelon, bleh.
No, it's just a bit weird.
No, it's horrible. Some Kahlua and vodka. So all we're going to do is decide how much I want, and I reckon.
So you're not going to splush it to this today?
No, I'm going to do 2 cups. Do you think that'll be alright just for one person?
Yeah, that should be enough.
So that's 2 cups of the chocolate coconut water, and then I'm just going to splush some Kahlua in. And a little bit of vodka as well. These are left over from Christmas, so not too much vodka. And then I'm going to pop it in. It'll mix as it goes in. I didn't bring a spoon in. Then I'm going to put it on frozen cocktail. Probably just turn it down to about 3, because otherwise sometimes it's so frozen you can't pour it, and we'll see how we go. Well, it's beeped, so it's ready. I did turn it up a couple of notches because 3 wasn't quite right. Always recommend start low and go up if you need to, rather than the other way around. But right, let's give it a go. I can smell the alcohol. Cheers and happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday, sweetie.
Oh, yeah, give that a go.
We've spent 3 nights at Wywurri and now it's time to hit the road again.
Got through the chaos of Newcastle and all the roadworks, and we've just pulled up at this little rest area. As you can hear, it's very noisy, just off the Pacific Highway, to have our pies. I think we've got about 45 minutes left to go, so nice to have a pit stop and stretch your legs. Oh, how good do they look? Curry beef. Nice.
Yeah, it's good pie, good. Nice bit of curry.
Very flaky pastry.
Yeah. Only about $4 or something, weren't they?
I think they were $4, yeah, on special. $3, $4, yeah, at Coles.
Yeah.
Well, they're called Garlo's beef curry pies, something like that.
Something like that, yeah. Quite nice.
Yeah. Well, the rest area was very busy. Obviously, lunchtime, it's, what, 1:45, so yeah, half an hour to go, and hopefully, we're going to stay at a free camp, so we'll see when we get there if there's any room for us. That's a bit frustrating. We've just got a spot. Jamie reversed in and 2 guys came up and said, sorry, you can't stay here, we're doing work, and we're clearing everyone out. So yeah, disappointing, because it looks like a really nice little camp. It's Bulahdelah Lions RV Park. There's little river spots. Never mind, so we're just going to fill up with water and try and get somewhere before everyone else does. So while Jamie was filling up the water, I just called the Bowls Club. They've got a spot booked in there, $8 a person a night, unpowered. Happy with that. So we're going to head there once we're finished here. We're packed up at Bulahdelah, hopefully I'm saying that right. We're at the bowling club, pretty quiet, a little bit of road noise from the highway but nothing major. There's the toilets and showers if you want them. There's also the showgrounds right next door, they're $22.50, and the dump point's there.
The Pacific Highway has countless beautiful river crossings, with sparkling waterways, all winding their way to the coast.
These days are running slow. Sunsets and shores far from home. Headlights are shining on the sea.
We're just pulling up at a farmstay, $10 a night. Find it on Caravan Overnight Farmstay. It's off grid. It's through Frederickston, just north of Kempsey.
We spent the rest of the day relaxing and had an early night.
Do you regret selling your house, Jamie? In our next episode, we answer your frequently asked questions, and no subject is off limits. How much money do you make on YouTube? Cut there, Bridie. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and leave a comment. We'll see you next time, and until then, safe travels.